Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
And although we won't be seeing temperatures that cold here in southern New England, we are going to see a drop in temperatures, which could lead way to some snow showers, especially during the afternoon on Sunday. Let's take a look right now, though, downtown here. You can see those flags blowing in the wind. Still pretty gusty out there, and those conditions are going to maintain their consistency throughout the day on Sunday. Where inland we can see gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Down at the coast, we are under a wind advisory here. Got a lot of stuff going through my brain right now, and where we can see gusts up to 50 miles an hour in the areas in brown. This is mainly concerning Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Here we could see gusts up to 50 miles an hour, especially during the afternoon, but the gusty conditions maintaining farther inland as well, just not as strong. We do still have some river flood warnings in place as well in the areas in red here, and with that we're going to be closely monitoring the river flood stages over the next couple days. The Patuxent River in particular still in major flood stage, so areas surrounding the river, kind of those low-lying areas that we've been seeing problems with, are going to continue to see that water being an issue over the next couple days until it starts to recede as we go towards the day on Tuesday. Those temperatures outside right now still pretty mild out there after the storm that we saw this morning. Right around 50 degrees in Providence, right around 45 still in Narragansett, Taunton, slightly warmer at 51 right now. So we're looking at temperatures dropping back down tonight into the low 30s, and with that overall colder temperatures over the next few days, we could see some snow squalls with those gusty conditions, bring some snow showers, as I mentioned, tomorrow afternoon, and then the colder temperatures staying with us for the next several days, and the potential for snow again that we're keeping an eye on Tuesday into Wednesday. And with that threat tracker tonight, going to stay low, but keeping an eye on both the river flooding and the wind situation. Going to keep Sunday morning and afternoon at medium with those winds again, and the potential for those snow squalls, especially during the afternoon hours. And again, keeping a close eye on that river stage as well, the Patuxent River especially. Wind gust forecast here again. You can see kind of where that wind advisory is being held right now off the shore here, seeing high wind gusts, especially during the afternoon. So as those winds pick up, if we do see those snow showers moving through at that time, that would be when the best chance is for those snow squalls to move through. And you can see right around 4 p.m. winds pick up considerably here before starting to drop back down, at least inland, as we head towards Sunday night. Satellite and radar right now, we do have a shortwave trough that's moving through the area. That's led way to some kind of scattered and more lighter showers this evening. This will continue to move offshore, but then a cold front moving into place tomorrow afternoon, which is when we're looking at the best chance for some showers to move through. So let's take a look at that here. Overnight tonight, again, those temperatures dropping. That's going to lead way to a colder start to your day on Sunday. Right around that afternoon time frame is when we're looking at the best chance to see some rain and snow showers here. And again, any snow showers that move through with those high wind gusts could lead to some reduced visibility due to those snow squalls clearing out as we head towards the night on Sunday, but a lot colder to kick off your work week on Monday due to those colder temperatures. Your Sunday morning, again, starting off chilly here. We will warm up to right around 40 degrees, but it's going to feel cold out there due to those wind gusts at times. And we also do have that chance for some snow or rain showers. And with those snow showers moving through and the high wind gusts, we could see some snow squalls bring some reduced visibility. For your 7-day forecast here, looking at those temps dropping tonight, as I mentioned, with the chance for that snow or rain shower in the afternoon. And again, watching those visibility risks with the snow showers and those high wind gusts. And as we've been mentioning, the flood risks at the rivers as well, we're keeping an eye on over the next couple days.
And just looking at the date here, it's January 13th. It didn't feel like that today with these seasonal temperatures.
Yeah, it's certainly been very mild, but that's going to definitely be changing over the next couple days.
We'll be watching that. Thanks so much. Now in sports, the URI men's basketball team is